Hey beauty family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Genesis, and if you're oldie but a goodie, then welcome back, girl. Today's video is a little bit different. As you can tell by the title, today is Today is Nico's first appointment, doctor's appointment. Not his first appointment, but it's gonna be his first time getting his shots. Which I am so nervous for him. I hope I don't cry.
Why are you gonna cry?
What?
Why are you gonna cry?
Because I'm his mom. I don't want him to cry. By the way, there's Omar. That is my husband.
Well, if you guys cry, then I guess I'll cry too.
We'll just have a crying party, all three of us, mom, dad, and baby. But here's Nicholas. He looks so big, you guys. He's getting so big so fast. But there's Nico, and he has his little fan right here to keep him cool because it's been really hot these past few days. But yeah, so we're heading to the doctor's right now. I hope it all goes well. I'm kind of like anxious because I haven't weighed him since the last time we were here, which was a couple months ago. I'm scared they're gonna tell me that he's overweight because you guys, he is so freaking heavy and he eats so much. And every time someone sees him, they never think that he's 3 months. They always think he's like 5 months or something because he's like a big baby. So we're gonna see what the doctor says, if he's growing accordingly or if he's growing just a little bit faster than the normal. He is pretty like long too. He's pretty tall. I feel like he's gonna be a tall boy. So that's good because that's what me and Omar wanted. We wanted him to be a tall baby. So we'll see. So I'm gonna film in there. Hopefully they're cool with it. I think they are because she's kind of cool, huh? I hope. If not, yeah, I hope. If not, then beep, 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 beep. But anyways, we're getting there soon, so I'll go ahead and see you guys there. So I really love his doctor. She's so sweet. It's first story. She's so sweet and awesome. Damn, the lighting's so yellow in here. He's getting burped.
Someone please help me. Somebody please help me.
What is that? It's a baby. And a woman.
Mama.
Alright, we're in the room now. It's time. We gotta undress Nico now.
I think I might have pee because
Why?
the pamper looks pretty. Ay, qué bonito ese baby. Ay, qué bonito ese baby. I'm a big boy, mama. I'm a big boy.
He gained what, 4
inches.
4 inches.
It's okay. 16 and a half.
Chia.
$15.11. Okay.
That's another.
That doesn't be like 20 pounds.
How much?
So heavy.
I will make you heavier than what you are.
You have a big stomach.
That doesn't you?
Handsome.
Yeah.
Who is that?
I know. If he gets frustrated, you pick him up and put him back.
Okay.
Okay? So let's make that exercise you can do. You can do it. Oh, sorry. That exercise you can do it on his back. It's fine to do that exercise on the back. No.
okay.
Is it normal for all babies to cry?
Yeah.
They all cry?
Some more than others. Like with this one, he's gonna cry, okay? More than he is now. I'm sorry, puppy. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I know. It's okay. Come back in 2 months. Okay.
Okay. That's it. You're done, baby. Look, baby, you're done. You see the boo-boos?
He got one boo-boo. Well, he got two in here.
With the Taz?
Taz.
What's the other one?
Same thing, Taz.
Are you okay, baby? You okay? Okay.
Let's go, Papa. We're in the car now and look at the baby. He is knocked out with his little fan right here, hitting him. Feeling fresh. So we're gonna go to In-N-Out right now. We're gonna get a triple. What is it called? Yeah? Triple?
3x3.
Oh, 3x3. Triple. Calm down. Making up names. And I'm gonna go ahead and end this little mini vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This baby experience is new to me and Omar, obviously, because it's our first child, our first baby. So all this stuff is kind of new to us, and I just want to film it so in the future when Nicholas is older, he can go on the internet and see himself and just, you know, be able to see how he was when he was little, see all the things that we did and all that good stuff. So it's pretty much why I'm putting it up on here, so in a couple years I can look back and I can reminisce when he was a baby. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe if you're not part of the beauty family. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers. I'm so happy. I can't wait to hit 1,000, you guys. Our family is growing slowly but surely, but we are getting there. Beauty family strong. So I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Bye, beauty family. Say bye, Omar.
There, guys.